Hello and welcome as today's date comes in that of Thursday, the 9th day of July 2020. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel. Let's take a look at silver in the Canadian dollar currency. All bets, trades, and other like that is within each's own risk and their own reward, with the silver price coming in that of $25.58 Canadian. It has exceeded the highs from just a few weeks ago. It has exceeded the highs from the year. It is reaching and testing the highs from last year when it reached basically the $26 mark. It only needs to drive about 2% more higher to reach that spot. It also would be a retest of around 2016, and we are in a retest. That is just now in the lower range of such, and the lower range started at around 24 high change. Now it's 25 high change. It's also a retest of the resistance from late 2013 and the support. We're just, unlike the US dollar, we're pretty much in the area of previous support from the lows of 2011 and 2012. And of course, the breakdown from, or where it broke down from in here. Now, if we look back at, say, even just say around in here, like, when it was $4, $5 cheaper, it's up 20% since then. And why am I using since then? Well, just for something to do, I'm going to go back to just an older video that I have in here. Dated March 26th, 2020. And it's entitled Silver Premiums Are Still High. And back then, for one American Eagle, it was $33.17. Today, American Eagles, $36.16. So basically about $3 higher, 10%. That would be the such. So with the price going up 20% in this level, it's the real price for buying it is up about 10%. And in some cases, it can be the Eagle premiums down were a lot higher. Some of the bars that I was looking at were looking at closer to 20%. I think I see like $270 for a bar. They're selling for like, 10-15% is an increase for most coins. But if you were like wondering, oh, do I want a lower premium? Well, maybe you got a little bit lower, but the prices are still racing towards the upside. Now, as this time frame goes, I see on the weekly how we had, from the sell-off, this was just a fantastic failed breakdown, and in the April periods, it consolidated with the lower end of the 18 average of lows and then just shot right through it at the start of May, and it has held that move fantastic as it resisted the start of June, pulled back to the 18 average of lows into this major level of previous resistance, and how the strength it's been showing week after week up until this, and this is a nice breakout week so far, getting above previous levels of resistance. Just a fantastic thing so far. Monthly time frame, I like its momentum, how it's playing, leaving the 18 average of highs in such as it's doing. And we've been facing this major level of resistance again, one time, two times, and even this little bit in here, three times. And even almost in February this year, but it does seem poised and ready to go that we're going to have a significant breakout in the somewhat near term. Of course, what happens with the market is going to be what happens. Only price pays for such. And earlier this week, I was able to purchase half-ounce coins for about $15 Canadian an ounce, which is minted by the Canadian government, which was a fantastic deal that I was pretty happy to get a hold of. So accumulating silver during this time I've been mentioning, I feel as if that last call situation is over. I would be very, very surprised if we even see this price break this 18 average of lows and go below that of 21 change. If it does, of course it does, and I say that in the sense that I would be expecting that the higher probability is that this thing breaks out, you see it into the high 20s, into the 30s, so that when the next time you have a decent sized price correction, it ain't going to be going down to 21. It might be going down to 26. It might even be going down to 30 or 60. Yeah, down to 60. That's unlikely on that, but it's still within the realm of possibilities, and that would be a situation where it just continuously goes up. Oh, it goes to 50, and we find light resistance, or if any at all, and then it goes up to like 60, 81, 150, then down to 60. That's and again, not likely, but I do like the possibility of course, this having good moves in the near term this summer. Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye bye.